friends, it's Peg, and today I'm showing you my artist trading card challenge from Pick a Stick Challenge. The prompts were Pen, Pool, and Bumpy, and the wild card was Attach. So I'm going to start out just with some watercolor paper cut into the 2.5 by 3.5 size for ATC. I'm going to use some masking paper. This is from Gary Berlin, but you can get it any number of places. It's sticky on one side and not on the other. And I'm going to just punch a circle out of that masking paper, and then I'm going to apply that to my artist trading card. I'm just showing how to use masking paper here, showing the multi-purpose ways that you can use it. Anyway, I have a card that is already taped up, ready to roll. I have a couple of archival inks and this brush. This is a stencil brush, stipple brush, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to apply those two blue colors because the color for this is cerulean blue. And I'm going to just brush it into the center of the circle with this stencil brush to create my first layer, and now my second layer of blue for my background on this artist trading card. I'm just trying to create a scene, and so this is going to be kind of in the sky. So I have a blue moon up in the sky, and I can reuse that paper if I want to do another trading card. And then I'm going to move on and start with the second prompt, which is pen. And I'm going to use a pen to sketch in some pine trees. I just want to get the illusion of the pine trees there up against the moon in the sky. And then Bumpy, I'm showing you it's an RX, which is a cheap 50-cent pen from the dollar store. Nothing fancy here. And just layering in, I think I want a bigger tree, so I'm going to draw a bigger tree into the background there. And see if I can get a little bit closer and give you guys a little bit better view of, because artist trading cards are pretty small. They really are pretty small. It's like a greeting card, or, you know, when somebody gives you their business card. So yeah, I'm pretty much done with that. I'm going to use some stamps and stamp them out on some more cardstock. And then I'm going to reach for some glitter glue. This is a Deco Art product, which is the glitter glue. And I'm also going to use some snow effects, which is a Finnabair product down at the bottom. And yeah, that's the writer, which has the glitter glue in it. And I'm putting that as if it's snowdrops up in the sky, and then using the snow effects down on the bottom of the card. And then you'll see I have my stamped sentiments that are going to go on here. And that's about it for me today. If you are interested in seeing what others are doing, check the Facebook group or the hashtag Pick a Stick Challenge, PASCATC 1218. You can see I'm looking for a stamp to put on here, and I have Happy Snow Day and Let It Snow, Let It Snow. So I hope you enjoyed this, and happy holidays, everybody. Bye from me for now.